Sir, after calcium.
No, calcium, sir.
Wait. This lithium alone, you just complete it, then you can go in. So as we know, come to lithium. I already taught you. What is atomic number of lithium? 3. So electronic configuration is 2, 1. Electronic configuration is how much? 2, 1. So lithium 2, 1. It will lose how many electrons? 1 electron, and it will turn into what? Li plus 1. Understanding? Lithium plus. So what is the nearest electronic configuration? Stable what? Which one, Ra?
Helium.
Electron structure. Electron arrangement. Helium gas, electron arrangement. Is it okay, guys? Understand, Ra? This is lithium under +1 only. So that is what you have to remember. Now, formation of magnesium I now taught you. Now, formation of calcium. So let us comes to here. C, 2 electrons are present in valence cell. So how many cells totally? 2, 8, 8, 2 is the electronic configuration of that. Now, what will happen here? Last cell is called as valence cell. So how many electrons are there? 2 electrons are there. Use the 2 electrons to gain the nearest inert gas electronic configuration of what? 288. What is that?
Argon.
That is what? Argon gas electron arrangement. This is only MCQs. Electron arrangement. 1,000 times you can ask your friends also. Nobody will say. Even you people also, most of you will forget after 1 or 2 days. That is what. That should not be happen if you want to proceed further. That is what I always will suggest. Nitinath, what happened? Nitinath, no sound at all from you. So now, this is what always should remember. This is the point which you have to remember. So next, let us go. This is the second one. Now third one, donation of 3. What is the donation of 3? Any example? Formation of
Aluminium,
Sir.
Formation of aluminum ion. What is the symbol? Al3 plus. Okay.
Yes.
Now, let us start aluminum. So as we know, what is the atomic number? Atomic number of aluminum, guys?
13. Sir.
Configuration of aluminum is electronic configuration 2, 8,
3.
Is it yes or no? Please respond me. Pranav, Dilip, Yalini. So as we know, aluminum, unstable aluminum. What is that? 283 KLM. So which will last how many electrons? Which will last
3 electrons, sir.
and it will
losses 3 electrons.
aluminum 3 plus, and it will get the nearest electronic configuration of what? Again,
Neon.
you may be asked me. Understand? So nearest stable, it may become what? It may become stable and neon gas. Understanding that? Neon gas electron arrangement. What is that? Electron arrangement. Do you understand, guys? That is, you should note it down. Any doubt in this? Okay, da? Okay. So now, most important thing. This is what the positive ion. So aluminum ion has 3 protons more. How many protons more here? 3 plus means what? 3 units of what charge? 3 units of positive charge is more. Understand, Ra? Everybody? How many units is positive? 3 units of positive charge is more. That is why aluminum 3 plus. What will become? Aluminum 3 plus. Any doubt in that? Clear? Respond me.
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
very important thing, electron dot representation. Sir, how to represent during reaction? This is only 99% cases. If it is MCQ or it is regular exam also, definitely they will ask you electron dot representation of this one. So let us discuss what is this means. So electron dot representation, all of you keep it. Electron dot representation. What is this? Now positive ions, do you understand? Positive ions, what will form? The +1, +2, +3. That's all. +1, +2, +3. It is called as what? Formation of positive ions is called as what? Cations. Understand?
Cations.
Yes. What is the electron dot representation of this cation? So all of you please keep heading. Electron dot representation. What is this? Electron dot representation. So all of you should remember, guys, only which electrons will take place in the chemical reaction? Everybody, which electrons will take place in the chemical reaction? Only valence electrons. Do you understand, guys? So the electrons which is present inside will never react, will never involve in the chemical reaction. Only which electrons will be involved in chemical reaction, right? Only most electrons. So please, all of you remember, only the outermost electrons of an atom take part in chemical reaction. Do you understand, guys, what I'm saying? Clear? Now, Prasini, if you have doubt, you can ask me. Harini also. There no communication. You're not speaking at least once also. There will never improve. Nothing will store in the brain. Remember, simply sitting silently like that only. And note it down. So only which electrons will involve in the chemical reactions, Ra? Only outermost
electron.
Outermost
The outermost electrons only we used to call it as valence electrons. What we should call?
Valence electron.
Try to kindly remember, all of you, the valence electrons is represented by putting dots. How we can represent them? By putting dot. Understanding? By putting dots, this is called as dot, we can represent the valence electrons. So this is the representation of valence electrons. What is that? Represent.
Can you give an example, sir?
I will give you, that is what? Representation of valence electrons is putting dot. Understand, Ra? So try to understand very carefully. If only one electron is there, suppose you can take potassium. What is that? +1. Correct or not? Sodium,
Yes,
+1.
sir.
Lithium,
+1.
+1. Understanding? So how to represent, sir? Very simple. Potassium is K dot. That's all. Sodium, sodium, correct? Dot. Lithium, Li dot. This is what the electron dot representation of.
Sir, if aluminum means 3 data, sir.
I will say, Padmavashini. Wait, listen. So this is the electron dot structures. What we should call? Electron dot structures. Understand, Ra? Representation of sodium, potassium, and lithium. Now, let us go for as this Padmavashini asked 2 now. Suppose magnesium. What is that, Ra? Magnesium is 2+. Now, same way, calcium is 2+. Yes or no? Please respond me. Nitinath, next we are going to study negative ions only. By the time I will say, Nitinath, no worry. Understand, Nitinath?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, magnesium, remember, donors we will use to represent only donation. Donors we use to represent what? Only donation. Understand, Ra? So now, magnesium, understanding. How many electrons, Ra? 2 electrons. So, 2 dots. Anywhere you can keep, here or here or here, wherever you want you can keep. All are correct only. So Ca 2+. Understand, Padmavashini? This is the electron dot structures of magnesium and calcium. Any doubt, guys? Now, same way 3 you can go. Aluminium 3+. So what is the electron dot structure of this one? You have to write aluminium. Now 3 correct. So you can represent 2 one side and 1 more dot another side. Is it okay, Ra? Okay, please respond, Ray.
Yes, sir.
This is what electron dot structure of positive ions. All of you should note it down. Positive ions, we should represent the electron dot structure with a valency cell. Always you should remember, whatever it is, negative ions also, you may understand. Today itself we will study. Whatever it is, electron dot structure means valency electrons we should represent. That's all, in the form of dot. Okay, guys, any doubt in this? Nobody is responding. Right.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Definition you write. Definition. Electron dot representation. Nitinath, 4 means you can write this side, that side. But valency 4 definitely will never be. It is sharing, correct? Sharing. For example, Nitinath is asking carbon. For example, let me take carbon. So carbon is having how many, guys? 4. Yes or no? So they are neither be sharing, they neither be donating nor be gaining. So they are only sharing. By the time you can represent like this. Is it okay, Nitinath? This is for 4.
Okay, sir.
Understand? 5 like this, 6 like this, 7 like this, 8 like this. Do you understand, Ra? 8 means like this, not L, X. X you can take. Okay, guys, clear? Like this only. Nothing is there. Understand, Ra? Okay. Now write the definition. Electron dot representation. So who is involved in chemical reaction, guys? Only
valency electrons, sir.
only
Electrons.
electrons will involve in the chemical reaction. If everybody will respond, it is very good. Madhumita, understand, Madhumita? Right, definition. The valence electrons in an atom, the valence electrons in an atom, the valence electrons in an atom represented by the valence electrons in an atom represented by putting dots. Putting what? Putting dots. Putting dots.
Sir, from first, sir.
The valence electrons in an atom, the valence electrons in an atom represented by putting dots, bracket you can write this symbol you can write, putting dots, this is putting dots on the symbol of the element, on the symbol of the element, on the symbol of the element. One dot for what? One dot for how many electrons, Ra? Pranav, Dilip and Dina. One dot for one electron. Understand?
One electron.
Two dot means two valence electron. Dot means that is you should yes, that is. Please write it. One dot for each valence electron. So this dot, somebody may ask me, sir, we should keep right hand, right or left or bottom or up, anywhere, your convenient. Understand, Ra? There is no kind of mandatory place. Anywhere you can keep. Is it okay? Yalamati, Tarani,
Yes, sir.
Anusri, Bhumiga.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is you should remember. Okay? Shumaira, are you there? Jesse? Jesse, are you there in meeting?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, respond me. That is. Now examples you can write this one. So examples you can write sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and aluminium. Any doubt means you can ask me, or else we'll go to next one. Now, I will ask you one question. Al3 plus means MCQ should will come. How many protons and how many electrons? Anybody can say? Two dots
What, sir?
maximum 2 dots only we can keep for one side. Okay. So Al3 plus means how many protons and how many electrons, guys? Anybody?
3 protons and 3 protons and 3 electrons, sir.
Very good. That's all. Okay. This is all about formation of negative ions. If anybody is having doubt, you please kindly ask. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Now, I want to show you one picture. I told you to leave some space under the sodium atom. Correct? Yes? I told you to leave you some space. Yes, sir? Yes. Now, under this, now the picture which I will show you, this picture exactly draw. This is most one you should draw, it will understand. So, sodium atom, how many cells is having? Read Arun Karthikeyan. Tarani, you can read K. Yeah. Sodium ion, how many cells? Sodium ion, how many cells? Only K and E. Understand? Now, the most important question, utmost important question in metals, by losing electron, the number of cells will be decreases. What will happen, guys? Number of cells will be decreases. Understanding? But in non-metals, which are gaining electrons, number of cells will never change. Don't say increases.
There will be change, sir. No changes, sir.
No change in number of cells. Understand? If this point not clear means ask me again. Akhtar Khan, are you clear this point? Metals, by losing electron, the number of cell will decreases, -1. So the total number of cell is what? N minus 1. What is that? N minus 1. In metals. Non-metals, N is equals to N only. So N means number of cells. What is that? Number of cells. Understand that? What me? Okay? In non-metals, number of cells is not changing. Metals, number of cells will become what? After donating electron, N minus 1. Okay, guys? Clear? Doubt? Ask. Okay?
Sir, show picture again, sir.
How? Anusri, are you understand, Anusri? Yalamati? Akshaya?
sir.
Harini? Okay, right. Ashika, over Ashika. Draw the structure exactly with the colors also. With the colors also draw. And what Pranav asked, it is half-bow principle. At the end of this chapter, especially I will teach you that, because it is not under class 10th, but you should understand, because we may be asked they may be asked the question. So that is electronic configuration represented in the form of SPDF. That I will teach you specially at the end of this week. Once it will be completed, this for half-yearly portion, that I will teach you. Is it okay? That till that, you know, worry. I will teach you more even perfectly, very clearly that. Okay. So just you have to focus on syllabus only now. So aluminum is over. So this is formation of positive ions. Any doubt till here? Ask me, guys. Now, so we will go with the negative ions now. So next concept we are going to what, guys? Formation of
Negative ions.
Formation of negative ions. So I am writing shortcut. So everybody understand. Minus V indicates what? Negative ions. So negative ions is called as what? Arun Karthikeyan?
Anions.
Anion.
Anions.
Anion.
Nitinath, are you there in meeting, Nitinath?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right, anions. Understand, Ra? So now, elements which is having, Ra? Right, all of you, whatever the elements is having,
Non-metals, sir.
6, 7. These elements only will form what? Negative ions.
Negative.
Now, in their outermost cell. So the number of electrons are how many? Outermost cell, the number of electrons are either 5 or
6, 7.
6 or 7.
These ions, understand, these atoms will gain electrons and they will become negatively charged particles called as anion. Understand now? Everybody
Anion.
here? So
sir.
this is what? Cat ions means 1, 2, 3 donating. Anions means 5, 6, 7 receiving. Understand?
Receiving or gaining.
Or also we can call it as what? Accepting. What is this, Bhumika? Accepting or receiving. That is, you should remember. So this one will form cations positive. This one will form negative ions called as anions. Any doubt in this? Okay. Please respond me.
Oh, sir.
Yeah. Now, for example, sir, then like as Nitinath asked, sir, carbon you can take. So carbon you can take. Carbon, what is the atomic number? Anybody can say? Carbon atomic number is 6. So electron configuration is what? 2, 4. Sir. Then what, sir? You said either 1, 2, 3 donation.
You share electron, covalent, sir.
Yes. So only 4 it is having an electronic this
Covalent bonds.
is having K and L. So L is having 4 valence electrons. So here it will never form, understanding, negative ions or positive ions. So it will take what, guys? It will take 4 electrons. So 4 electrons is outermost shell. It is non-metal, but it is neither lost 4 electrons nor gain 4 electrons. What is happening? Neither nor. Understand, Ra? Neither nor. Understanding? Neither nor gaining or lost the electrons. Okay, guys. So that is why this will be involving in underwater sharing electrons. What is that? Sharing. Understand? That is what it will be. It will feels like by sharing. That is why carbon will never form negative ions or positive ions. Is it okay, guys? Clear?
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Ask me.
silicon have 14 atomic number, then silicon also will never form
Why?
negative or positive.
Arrange electronic configuration.
Yes, sir. Silicon
2,
will not form,
8,
sir. 2, 8 and 4, sir.
Silicon, sir.
Silicon 2, 4,
8,
4, correct? But silicon is a metalloid, correct? Sorry, silicon is a metal only. Yes or no? So that is why you can see silicon is also by sharing electrons, not by donating electrons. But sometimes you can see silicon, germanium and all, arsenic and all, we can say under metalloids because they are having a characteristics of both metals and as well as non-metals. Understand, Yalamati, what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, which metals, sir?
What?
Which metals are metalloids, sir?
7 metals we have. 7 elements are having metalloids that we will study when we are studying the electronic configuration, like types of metals in the 5th chapter chemistry. Term 1 it is not there. Term 2 only it will be there. Come to 7 metalloids we have. That 7 metalloids, sometimes they will donate, sometimes they will accept. So by that time, both the characteristics, that is why we will study, they are called as metalloids. Understand? But now we are not studying properties of metalloids. So this chapter, it will never come under that one. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Lamati. So now that is why you people tell me. So carbon atom will form ions or not will form ions? It will never form. Never form what?
Negative
Never form ions. Why? Because it is not having 1, 2, 3 valence electrons or 5, 6, 7 valence electrons. So it will never form any positive or negative ions. Any doubt in this? Clear? Please respond me. Yes. Now, let us go to the examples. First example, formation of chloride. What is the formation of chloride symbol I said yesterday? Formation of a not chlorine. What is that called as? Chloride. What is that, anybody? Chloride, what it is? Cl minus. Now, what is the atomic number of chlorine? Atomic number
17.
of 7.
17.
What is the electronic configuration of chlorine? 2,
2,8,7.
that's all. So now go with the electronic configuration of chlorine. So 287. So unstable arrangement, K cell, L cell and M cell. So now what is the valency cell, Ra? What is the valency cell?
7.
M.
So
M.
it can lose the 7 electrons or gain 1 electron, which is easy.
Gain 1 electron, sir. Gain 1 electron.
To what? Chloride ion, not chlorine ion. What is that? Chloride
Chloride.
ion. That
Chloride.
remember. So now, what is the stable? What is the nearest electron configuration? It will become 288. 288. What is the nearest
Argon, sir.
Sir.
288. What is that?
Argon.
Argon.
Stable argon gas. Others also. Try to answer. This is only MCQ will come. So 1000% guarantee I am giving you correct. 100 by 100. Definitely one question will come. Argon gas, electron arrangement. Any doubt, Akhil Arfan, in this? Fluorine, Nidhinath. It is you can write, Nidhinath. Anything you can write. Fluorine, chlorine, carbon, everything you can write. Your choice, Nidhinath. Okay? Now, let us go with that. So now you tell me, how many here, who is extra? Who is extra guys here? We have a 17.
Here electrons are extra, sir.
Electrons are also
7 protons, 8 electrons.
protons are
17 protons, 18 electrons.
18. So that
18.
how many is there? Electrons. 1 unit.
One extra, sir. One.
Yes. 1 unit. 1 unit of negative charge. So that is why it is called as what? Minus. Any doubt in this? 1 unit of negative charge is minus extra. So that is why we can write how, guys? Cl minus 1 or Cl.
Minus 1.
Okay? Cl minus. Now, so now in this negative charge ions, number of cells will increases or not increases? That is what my question. Number of cells increases or not increases? Please respond me. Number of cells will increase or not will increases? By gaining electrons, guys.
Increase.
That is what I said. In negative ions, number of cells will never change. What will happen? By gaining electrons, number of electrons will never change. Understanding, Ra? Suppose you can take
No, sir. Number of that is this is correct ones.
number of cells. Positive ions only, number of cells will decreases. So, how many cells are here? Chlorine atom count K, L, and M. Chlorine ion also how many? K, L, M. So that number of cells before atom and number of cells in ion, both are equal or not?
Yes, sir. Equal.
Remember. But in metals, what is happening? Metals, what is happening? Number of cells is decreasing. Atoms, number of cells is equal to A. Atoms. But ions, what is the cells? N minus 1 cell. What is that? N minus 1 cell. That you should remember. Are you clear, guys? Please respond me. So here, 287 K, L, M. So here also what? 288 K, L, M. That's all. 3 cells equals to 3 cells. Any change in this, Karthikeyan? Kevin? That's all. Remember. So now by gaining electrons, no change in cells, but by losing electrons, one cell will reduce. That is you should remember. Is it okay, Ra? Any doubt, Ra? Now, now is continuously asking me, sir, fluorine, sir. So let us write fluorine, second one. So what is the fluorine, guys? Fluorine, under this only. Fluorine, what is the atomic number, guys? Fluorine is 9. Understand?
9.
What is the electronic configuration? Nidra, electronic configuration 2,7.
2,7.
K, L. K, L. Is it yes or no? Please respond me.
Sir.
Yes. No. So fluorine
Yes, sir.
wants to become stable in nature. So what it is become? It will gain one electron or lose one electron. Gain or lose one
Gain
electron.
one electron.
Understanding?
Gain one
So
electron.
what? One
plus
will give
plus
you
E minus U.
F minus. Correct? Yes or no? F minus. So what is the nearest electronic configuration? 2,8.
2,8.
2,8.
What is the nearest
Neon
electronic
electronic configuration.
fluoride ion, not fluorine ion. What is this? Fluoride ion, not fluorine. Fluoride ion. So what is that? Stable neon gas arrangement. Neon gas or electron arrangement. Are you clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
That is for -1. Let us go with the -2 now. So second example, what is that? Formation of oxide. What is that, Ra? Formation of oxide ion. So what do you mean by oxide, Ra? O2 minus. What is that? O2 minus. Understand? Please respond me, Alni, Dilipan, Madhumita. Everybody. So formation of oxide ions, O2 minus. Now, what is atomic number of oxygen, guys? What is atomic number of oxygen?
8, sir.
8. So what is the electronic configuration? Respond me fastly. 2,
6.
so now oxygen you can take. Understanding electronic configuration is 2, 6. How many cells are Karthikeyan? Nitina?
2 shells.
2 cells. So valence cell you can see 6 electrons is there. So losing 6 yes, losing 6 electrons is better. Gaining 2 electrons is better. Gaining.
One electron.
So gaining 2 electrons. So 2 electrons minus will give you what, guys? O2 minus. Understand? So here also how many cells are? Same 2 cells, but 2, 8. So now electron configuration of what? Nearest electron configuration of
Neon.
yes, neon gas electron arrangement. You have to write every time electron arrangement. Are you writing? Are you following me, everybody? Arun Karthikeyan, Harini, Akshaya, Yalmati, that is right. Now, same way you can write sulfur, guys. Let me write sulfur. Who will write sulfur? Sulfur. Sulfur, what is that? Can you able to say sulfur?
2,8,6.
So atomic number Z equals to 16. And what is the electronic configuration? Anybody? Electronic configuration? KLM. Correct? Now KLM means what is that? Sulfur. 2
Gaining 2 electrons, sir.
KLM. What is the valency cell right here? Tarani, what is the valency cell here? Name. So which will give you how many electrons? 2 electrons. 2 electrons is 2 electrons, which will give you what, guys? S2 minus. S2 minus. So 2, 8, 8. So nearest electronic configuration of remember argon arrangement. Stable argon arrangement. Any doubt in this? Respond. That's all. 2. Now go for 3. 3 now. Examples. Formation of nitride ions, not nitrogen ions. What is that? Formation of nitride. 90% students will study nitrogen ions. It is not nitrogen. Negative ions always will come. Ide. Understanding? Chloride, sulfide, oxide, chlor. Next what? Fluoride. Understanding? Ide will come. Id. Nitride now. Nitride, what is the symbol, Ra? Nitride. N3 minus. What is that? N3 minus. Understanding? Everybody? Now, what is the atomic number of nitrogen? Anybody? Atomic number of nitrogen?
7.
Understanding? Dilipan? Are you there? Tina, Pranav, everybody. Next, what is the electronic configuration? Respond me, electronic configuration.
2,5.
2,5.
So K and L cell. So now it needs how many electrons? 5 is there. Losing 5 is better. Gaining 3 is better. Gaining 3. So 2, K and L. So now it will gain how many electrons, guys? 3 electrons. Will form N3 minus. So now 3 minus means number of protons are how many? Number of protons are 7, but number of electrons are how many, guys? 10. Understand, Ra? But here number of protons are 7 only. Number of electrons also equals to what? 7 only. Understand, Ra? Now K and L 2,8. What is the nearest electron configuration? Stable.
Neon.
Neon. Neon. How sharp you are in this? It is only matters in exam. This is what about examples. Any doubt means you please kindly ask me. Now same way, phosphorus also. Basically phosphorus is variable valency, but for your purpose I am saying you. Now phosphorus you can take, guys. So phosphorus. Now phosphorus. What ions will form? What ions will form phosphorus? Phosphide. What is that? Phosphide. So which is called as P3 minus. Actually, it is variable valency, but let it be. How to study phosphide ions also. What is the valency? Can anybody say? Valency? Well, atomic number. Atomic number equals to
285.
50.
5 is balance.
Equals to 285. So K L M. So K L M means in the sense of what? Now phosphorus K L M will gain how many electrons? How many electrons? 3 electrons. Okay. So now 285, which will form what, guys? P3 minus, which will become 288. KLM. Stable nearest gas what? Stable nearest argon. Understand, Ra? STABL is stable argon configuration arrangement. So this is what it is. Any doubt in this? Please kindly ask. Phosphorus. Okay, Ra? Phosphide.
No doubt, sir.
Understand, Nitinath? Any doubt, Nitinath, in this? Kevin, Tarani, Humaira is not there. Elamati, are you clear? Madhumita?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this concept, you ask me. That's all. Now, let us go for electron dot representation. Last concept. So, for today's class, electron dot. Akhil Arfan, can you able to say electron dot representation? What I said electron dot representation means? Representing the dot in the form of what? Only valency electrons. Whatever it is in the valency cell, we have to represent in the that is what Nitinath I said. Phosphorus is having variable valency, -3 and -5 also. But for this case, we will study only 3. Is it okay, Nitinath? That is. Okay. So very rarely only it will form 5. When it will act like a sharing only. Remember that. Electron dot representation. So now, what is electron dot representation, guys? 7 electrons are there, 7 dots. 6 electrons are there, 6 dots. 5 electrons are there, 5 dots. That's all. So now, so as we have studied definition, what? In the form of dot, we have to represent the valency electrons. What is that? In the form of dot, representing valency electrons. Correct or not? That's all. Now, I will say the elements, you should tell me. So now first fluorine only. So fluorine, what is atomic number? 9. Understanding? So valency electrons, 2,7. What is the valency electrons, Ra? Respond, Ray. 7. Correct or not? 7. So
Seven dots.
fluorine atom. This is what? Fluorine atom. Ion will change us. I will say ion. So this is fluorine atom. So it will come as a, how it will come, guys? Fluorine atom. 2, 4, 6, and 7. That's understand, guys? Atom. Now ion. Ion, how much it will come? Ion. Anybody can say ion? ION, correct? ION, ion. So ion will come like this. Fluorine, which will gain 1 electron, correct? So 2. 2. Dina, respond me. How many totally ion? Gain 1 electron. So what is the charge? -1. This is the ion. Negative ion should come like this. Is it okay, Amma? Will you able to remember? What is this ion name called as? Respond me. What is the name called as this one? fluoride ion. What is this? Fluoride ion. It is represented with a F minus. That is next element. I will say you should tell me. Chlorine, Cl. What is the atomic number? 17. Configuration 287.
7.
What is the valency? Valency what? 7. Now how it will come? Chlorine 2. You have before me. You should draw 2, 2, 4, 6, 6 plus 1. Okay. Now ion how it will come? Cl 8 will come. 4, 6, 8.
Sir, how, sir?
Cl minus 1. Cl1 minus.
Okay.
Sir, I can't understand ion, sir.
Ion. Who is that?
Tarani, sir.
It is gaining 1 electron, correct, Tarani?
Yes, sir, sir.
That is
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
bracket minus 1. Okay, minus this minus bracket minus indicate 1 electron it gained. Okay, wa?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
That electron may be anything. Okay, if you want more clearly, that gained electron you people can represent with a into mark, or else I will represent with another color. Is it okay, guys? That is better for you. So this is the electron which is gained. Okay, ra? Ion. Any doubt?
No, sir.
After meeting is going to end, again you join, no problem. Next, oxygen. Oxygen, tell me. Oxygen what? 8. Corresponding 2, 6. So now what will come? This is oxygen. Yeah. How many will come? 2, 4, 6. Correct? Now, oxygen atom. Ion, anybody?
Oxygen ion is 8.
2, 4, 6 and 2 gained. Correct? 2 gained. So gained I am representing with a red dot. So power 2 minus. Understand, Tarani now?